I believe nothing can be made without pockets. Hi everybody, my name is Angie and I am very excited to start off this brand new YouTube channel. It's going to be featuring different things about sewing, DIYs, and just going to be a great big ball of fun. Before we can get started off with the channel, I have a bit of a problem. See, I have this amazing workroom in my current apartment, except because I haven't really been using it much, because while I was at school I was using the costume shop there. I kind of turned this room into a storage room. So, since this room is currently unusable because of literally everything that's all over the floor, we will start off by organizing. Who doesn't like a great room makeover? I had planned out the furniture before we had moved in here, knowing that I was going to get my own workroom. I just haven't had time to utilize it. And now that I'm graduated, I better get my butt in gear. Although the work was long and hard, I am very happy to finally have a beautiful functioning workroom to call my own. In the end, you probably saw the exhaustion on my face, and somehow this took longer than I intended, but nonetheless, it is finished and I can go relax. Can't wait to start making more videos. See you in the next one.